I'm from 12 Tomatoes. Today we are making Spanakopita Triangles. Yes, this is a little baby appetizer. Wait till you see them, you're gonna die. We're gonna mix spinach, yogurt, parmesan, and feta for our filling that we're gonna layer between all of these nice little buttery, flaky phyllo dough pieces. We're gonna roll them into little footballs, put them onto a baking sheet, sprinkle some sesame seeds on them, and bake them in the oven for about 15 minutes. Oh, they're so crispy but gooey on the inside. Oh my god. You're gonna love it. Let's do it! Spanakopita has finally come out, and look at how gorgeous this looks. I just can't wait. Oh, spinach and cheese, just a match made in heaven.
12 Tomatoes.